Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Felicia and today I'm going to share with you what I received in my Curlbox for the month of October. Curlbox this month featured the brand Cantu shea butter for natural hair. So this month the box was pretty overfilled. There was one particular item that didn't even fit in the box. There were a total of 7 items. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so that you don't miss out on an upload. Make sure to click the notification bell. And also, if you want to see me do a full review and demo on this particular line, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So the first product that I have is the Cantu Double Lift Pick. So this has a non-slip grip and it also claims to not snap your hair. Now I've actually used this. Is the only thing in the box that I went ahead and I've used. It has some color on it. So I can attest to the fact that it doesn't snag your hair and it lifts pretty well. And it's double, so that's a plus. Okay, so moving on to the next tool. They also included the thick hair edge brush to smooth down your edges. Okay, for a closer look, so this has longer bristles and it does have the boar bristles here, so you can see that there. So it's longer bristles for a longer reach for thick hair to smooth down your edges. Okay, and then the next product I have is a Easy Wrap slide on fashion band. So it's just a cute hairband. Looks like an African print. So the next product is the Cantu coconut curling cream, which I can appreciate that they did put it in a Ziploc bag. Alright, so this coconut curling cream is supposed to define, moisturize, and strengthen your strands. Smells really good. Smells like coconut. So this is definitely really creamy. I wouldn't say that it's necessarily thick because as you can see, it will run out of the container. So, but it's definitely creamy. So the next product is the Cantu Style Stay Frizz-Free Finisher. Again, no mineral oil, sulfates, or paraben silicones. And this is a mist that you can apply either to blow dry or air dry to shield from the humidity. This is supposed to be lightweight and it's also made with shea butter. Non-sticky, crunch free, and no white flakes. So the next product is the Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse, and this is supposed to minimize shrinkage, humidity resistance, and supposed to be great for blow dry or air dry styles. For the final product that I received is the Edge Stay Gel that is made with castor oil, jojoba oil, and cocoa butter. So it came in this packaging here. And it is extra hold. This is also made without any mineral oil, sulfates, gluten, silicones, fat face, paraffin, or propylene glycol. So this is what the gel looks like. It really doesn't have a smell. Alright guys, so let me know in the comments section below if you guys have ever used this brand Cantu. I've never used any of their products, so again, if you want to see me demo these and try these out, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.